Hello, this is Postcards from the Future. Big ideas for a small planet, solving the problems of the world with just the resources available to the modern parent in their playroom. And today we're looking at roads. Or what's a road? Well, it's an enormous, big, long strip of land that you cover over with concrete or tarmac, and that makes it so much easier for motor vehicles, cars, lorries, buses, to drive up and down to get from A to B. There's a Lamborghini, no expense spared here. Now we've got the road here. It seems like a brilliant idea to own a car. You can get where you're going really quickly, except that now the road's full up. We've got gridlock. Now no one can get anywhere. Nobody can move. And so these guys arrive and they say, well, this is no good. It's no good. The road needs to be wider. It needs more space here. We need to spread out. We've got a vegetable patch here, that's unfortunate. That's going to have to go. And the pond over there, well, that's got a flourishing ecosystem. Sorry, that's going to have to go too. And there's the well. I'm going to have to get water from somewhere else too. The whole thing has got to get bigger. What if we took an alternative view? What if we said, well, let's get out of the cars, let's get onto bicycles, and that way we can get to where we're going. Of course, there are problems with this. It's harder work to cycle, and the road isn't a very safe place for bicycles at the moment. It's full of cars, it's polluted, it's all these fumes everywhere. But as the cars start to disappear off the roads and more people are on bicycles, suddenly this starts to look a lot better. Incidentally, there's only one bicycle on my road because despite there being lots of cars in the toy box, only one bike. Even if the road was full of bicycles, we're still not going to need as much space as we did with all those cars. So this road doesn't look too small anymore. In fact, now it looks, if anything, too big. We need half the amount of space, and look at that. Now we've made room. People can walk along the side of the road now. We're not encroaching onto these ecosystems and habitats anymore. We're actually giving them more space, and we're giving the space for people to appreciate them. It's more sociable. On the bike you get exercise, fresh air. You can actually talk to people as you cycle past, which is great. Only problem, you're still going to get wet when it rains, so we're going to solve that too. We're going to put a roof over your head, and it's a green roof, so this is something which is going to absorb carbon, it's going to increase biodiversity, it's going to harvest rainwater as well, so that's going to increase our water supply, reduce our reliance on the well. And what's this on top? You're probably thinking this can't get any better, but these are actually solar panels, and those are generating electricity. So whereas the car gobbled up resources like fossil fuels and materials, and also emitted carbon, our new mode of transport uses the energy that we get by eating food from the vegetable patch, generates electricity through the solar panels on the surface, and is also contributing to our water supply, as well as making us all healthier, and I'd argue happier. So this is a crazy idea, but it's possible, and it makes the world a better place, not just in an abstract doing the right thing by future generations, but actually making our lives better now. So why not?